This Black & Decker cordless weed trimmer is a handy tool for cleaning up lawn edges and removing unwanted growth in hard-to-reach areas. It's one of my recent purchases, and in this video I'll give you a close-up look so you can decide if it's right for you. First, it has an adjustable grip to help give better leverage at various carrying angles. The easy release button helps it lock into different positions. And as with all current Black & Decker cordless tools, it has a signature orange casing and black accents. This 12-inch trimmer uses a .065-inch trim line. Plus, it has a small plastic wheel to help cut straight edges. For normal trimming, I'd use this in a sweeping motion like this. But the head can be rotated for easy edging along sidewalks. And flipping it back and forth is super easy. The main shaft is adjustable for people of different heights and to make it easy to store. This trimmer works with Black & Decker's 20-volt battery system. The batteries aren't very heavy, but when it's installed in the handle, it does help balance out the weight of the trimmer. It has 2 speeds, and of course when it's set to high, it will drain the battery much faster. At normal speed, you'll get about 10 to 15 minutes of runtime, so keep that in mind. It has a typical trigger with a safety lock that can be easily accessed for left and right-handed users. And up on top is the line feed button. Just give that a quick press and extra string will be released. When the extended string hits the metal plate on the debris shield, it'll automatically get cut to the perfect length. It's a really simple tool that edges lawns quickly and efficiently. But always remember to wear safety glasses while using. You never know when something will get shot out. Because the Black & Decker trimmer is battery powered, it's really easy to pick up and go. No more extension cords or gas to deal with. As mentioned before, a fully charged battery will allow 10 to 15 minutes of runtime on normal speed. But of course that also depends on how dense the area is that you're cutting. To trim a straight edge, rotate the head and use the wheel to help roll the trimmer along the ground. The Black & Decker trimmer really makes quick work of this job. And there's no strain on my back because I don't have to carry the weight of the trimmer while doing this. The spool of string it comes with will last a while, but at some point it will have to be refilled. To do that, first detach the battery so we can work safely. Now on the bottom of the trimmer, there are 2 orange tabs on the string enclosure. They're on both sides of each other, and squeezing these tabs will release the large orange cap. Now, remove and discard the empty spool. Here, locate the opening for the string, and I'll list the proper .065-inch string refills as well as the Black & Decker trimmer in the description so it's easy for you to find. On the new spool, make sure the side with the arrow is facing outwards, and then roll out about 5 inches of the trimmer line. Insert the string through the small opening and then seat the new spool in place. You might need to rotate it a bit to make sure it's all the way in. Then just snap the orange cap back in place. And here are some final notes. The trimmer does come with a basic charger, and it just slides onto the end of the battery. This is a slow charger, so it's going to take about 6 to 8 hours to fully recharge a dead battery. The thing I really like is that as I buy more Black & Decker cordless tools, the more batteries I'll have on hand. In addition to what you see here, I also have the Black & Decker jigsaw and reciprocating saw, which means I now have several batteries that are compatible on this trimmer. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.